Hi folks, welcome back to Lamar Crescent City Ford right here in Harahan, Louisiana. And I have a treat for you today. This is a F-550 four-wheel drive extended cab. I've added a mechanic's body on this by auto crane, and I also added an 8,000 pound crane on this with a 30-foot reach. This truck will do the job. I keep these in stock. I have them in several different sizes. I got them in 7,000, 8,000 pound. I even carry the smaller sizes if you need them in 3 and 4. Okay, now this Titan 38 has a lot of drawer systems in here. I can customize these just kind of any way you might be wanting to do. In this truck, I have a C-Tech drawer system in here. This one has the drawer system in it that allows you to put all your tools and get organized. So when you're on a job site, you can find them very conveniently. Also, I've added lighted compartments on this vehicle, so that way you can see your tools even in the dead of night. This truck is equipped with outriggers, hydraulic outriggers, so that way you can stabilize your truck. Put a 12,000 pound hitch on the back, rated here for towing, max weight. All your controls, lights, and everything on the back of the truck. Your hose reel integrated into the body. 50-foot reach, so that way you can power all your tools with it. Also in this drawer system, I integrate the hose reel. Auto crane comes with a remote system that's wireless, so that way if you want to get out of the weather or be able to see what you're doing, you can put that together. It's magnetic, goes into the door. Here in the back, several more different drawer systems. The last one, I put your cellophane tapes in here so that you can strap them down. So if you wanted to add a welding machine to this truck, we can do that. Come by and see us here at Lamar Crescent City Ford in Harahan, Louisiana. Come take your truck home today because they are in stock, and I want to thank you for your time.